Good morning, Daydreamers. I'm at Universal Studios today. It's gonna be spending the day hanging out with my fam. That one and my mama. So yeah, so nothing too crazy. Probably gonna take some pictures and see what else the day brings. But I'm gonna be taking you guys along with me. Then I'll see you later. Bye. So what was formerly like one of the Harry Potter stores here is now for Jurassic World, for Fallen Kingdom, and have all kinds of merch. Cut shirts. A little bit of everything. Courtyard right there. We're inside the Hello Kitty store. Oh, Croppy. That's so cute. Fudge. Buy 4, get 2 free. Cute. And here they have the little headbands. But from there you can choose what bow you want, and then not also that, but you can choose like a different little thing to snap on. Yeah, so it can always be a little different. That's cute. So right now I think they have like this stage set up over here for a grad bash. So it's like grad nights basically. And then almost time for, I guess the new show will be Kung Fu Panda, The Emperor's Quest. So I signed up to come on June the 9th for an AP exclusive sneak peek just to see how it is. So I can't wait for that. Now entering Springfield. Oh, there's like no line for the donuts. Oh, this is the perfect time to get one. But I'm not going to, because I need to take pictures and I can't be looking like I ate 20 donuts. I'm in line waiting to take a picture with like the little Millhouse statue thing right there. And I'm minding my own business, and the family that was there, they're like done. And there's like this little boy, right? So my wife's just like chilling all around the area. Next thing you know, he just like poops me in my hoo-ha. Like he's like, Addie, what did you do? Do I have to do it? Yeah. he was like poking around, and then he was like, he literally did, and I was just like, did he just really just like, almost like, on my hoo-ha, like, control your children, it was so awkward. So now we're gonna do the tour. Honestly love the view of the San Fernando Valley, but it's overcast right now. It's a little gloomy, can't see that much.
Emergency cord that runs along the center of the ceiling of the tram, and I'll be back to assist you just as soon as it's safe for me to do so. Please no smoking of any kind on the tour today. That includes vaping. Also be prepared. Our tour features loud noises, some tram movements, fire effects, and many water effects. Feel free to have those cameras out. Take as many photos and videos as you like. We have a collection of vehicles from the Back to the Future franchise, including Biff's 1946 model Ford convertible, which was featured in the 1955 Hill Valley, looking a little bit cleaner now than it did at the end of that film, and also some flying cars from the distant future, 2015 and Back to the Future Part 2. Just next to those are some prehistoric cars from the Flintstones film. Those are the only 3 cars in this entire lineup that don't have a working engine inside of them, as like the cartoon series, the actors drove the cars along with their feet. Also, you may notice Jeep number 29, that is Jeep Wrangler Sahara from Jurassic World. That's the car that the 2 boys played by Nick Robinson and Ty Simpkins prepared to escape from the Indominus Rex. However, it's first he's given us a flash flood warning. Are you Al? Are you... Okay, we've lost Lau, but it looks like we have gained a flash flood. Watch out, everybody.
Oh, that scared me.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so we can move forward, I need everyone.
This town ain't big enough for the both of us, Jim McFarlane.
Well, I ain't going anywhere, Jim McFarlane.
Tram 2, if you could please remain seated at all times.
All right. Well, I'll see you again, Talon.
Oh, you can count on it, Talon. Again.
This is the beginning of a beautiful friendship.
And we just have to talk it out, that's all.
Cool.
This location, the afterlife, come on.
Honestly, The Good Place is so funny. I love that show.
I'm not supposed to be here. I can't risk going to the bad place.
Maybe it's not all that bad.
How can I help you?
What is the bad place like?
Time to time in Los Angeles. Uh-oh. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this could be the big one. Please remain seated at all times and keep a hold of those personal belongings. Uh-oh. By trams 2 and 3, the floor is coming down on the left-hand side. Watch out for that truck. Okay, I think the worst of it is over, but at least we didn't get wet, right? Uh-oh, spoke too soon. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen, you have survived the earthquake, a big one, measuring a massive 8.3 on the Richter scale. But that isn't just a fun ride that we have for the studio tour. We actually utilize those special effects in film inside. I believe, yes, the left-hand side, this yellow and beige house, that was home to Gabby, played by Eva Longoria. And then just past this purple house, once again on the left-hand side, you'll see there is a yellow and stone house that was home to Susan, played by Terry Hatcher. And right next to that, that grey-green house, it was actually brickwork on the show and home to Lynette Scavo, played by Emmy Award winner Felicity Huffman. Also, if you look across the street, you'll be able to see the perfect little blue house that was home to Bree, played by Marsha Cross. But let's take a... You may also recognize this brown house on the left-hand side as the home from Why Him, starring James Franco and Bryan Cranston. And then there's going to be a large purple Gothic-looking house on the right-hand side. That was actually originally 1313 Mockingbird Lane, more commonly known as...
This is like the cheese toasty chicken something or other. It's like seasonal. And we got the lemon.
Cheese toasty and chicken.
Cheese toasty and chicken. Okay. And lemonade, and then she just got tea. So no butterbeer this time because it is a lot of sugar and just not in the mood. But can't wait to try this. destinations, but your family ditches you, so now you're lost and you can't find them. I don't know where they went. It was literally like 10 seconds and then they're gone. How does that happen? Help me. Okay, like a Hello Kitty. Oh yes! Yes, slay girl, slay! So cute. So this is the new Sephora that opened up at Universal City Walk. It's like so pretty. I'm gonna go inside. It is the end of my day here at Universal with Addie and my mama. So yes, now we're in the garage. We're gonna go to the car. I might have splurged a little at Sephora. Thanks, Mom. But it was a very interesting day. It was very chill. Like we just walk around mostly. That's basically it. We just walk around. But it's been happening and I've just been cutting myself off. But anyways, it was a lot of fun. But I'm glad I brought you guys along with me and I'll see you in the next adventure. Bye!